Today, we're going to break down something pretty amazing. We're going to look at how one makeup artist took a viral video, got a ton of online hate for it, and then masterfully turned all that controversy into a killer sales pitch. Let's get into it.
It all started right here with this one comment. A simple little critique, right? But this comment and thousands just like it became the actual spark for her entire business strategy. This isn't just an insult. It's literally the key that unlocks the whole funnel we're about to explore. All right, so let's set the stage. The creator we're talking about is Manveen, a makeup artist. She posted a short video of a bridal look she did. And when it hit social media, well, it didn't just get a few views, it absolutely blew up. Yeah, that's over 2 million views on a short video. That kind of virality is insane, and it shot her subscriber count up to over 400,000. But, when you get that kind of reach, you get a massive reaction, and a lot of it was not good. The comments were just completely split down the middle. For every person who absolutely loved our glamorous, heavy-handed style, there was someone else in the comments calling it way too much, or, a painting, or just saying it was bad. But here's the thing. Instead of deleting the comments, she leaned right into the fire. So instead of apologizing or changing her style to please the haters, Manveen went on the offensive. She actually recorded a full long-form tutorial of the exact same look and used it to build this incredible defense of who she is as an artist. And this really gets to the heart of her argument. The critics all wanted light makeup, but Manveen makes it crystal clear that that's just not her thing. Her entire brand, her whole niche, is built around these big, glamorous looks and heavy, artistic eyes. And guess what? It's the exact style her paying clients ask for. And this line right here, this is everything. She takes their #1 insult. It's like painting. And she completely owns it. She reframes the whole thing. It's not a mistake. It's a deliberate artistic choice. She's basically saying, you're right, I am a painter. That's the whole point. And crucially, she doesn't just say this, she proves it. She explains that her clients and her followers from all over the world, we're talking Pakistan, Bangladesh, Singapore, they're not watching her by accident. They follow her because she does this specific glamorous style. So she's not just defending her art, she's clearly defining her target audience. Okay, and right here, this is the moment everything changes. After building this rock-solid defense of her niche, she pivots the entire conversation from art to commerce. I mean, this is the million-dollar question for any creator who's facing backlash, right? What do? Do you just ignore it? Do you fight back? Well, Manveen chose a third option, and it turned out to be way more profitable. And that's the pivot. It's genius. She seamlessly moves from defending her painting style to announcing an online class where she'll teach you exactly how to do it. The controversy was never the problem. It was the hook for the entire sales pitch. So now, let's actually break down the sales tactics she uses in the rest of that video, because it is a total masterclass in marketing. She follows this perfect, classic 4-step sales playbook. First, create urgency, then handle objections, then showcase the value, and finally establish her authority. First up, urgency. She creates this powerful sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, by saying this might be the last chance to learn from her for a long time. That one simple line makes anyone who's kind of interested feel like they have to act right now. Next, she tackles the biggest objection, price. She cleverly compares her class, which costs about 2,000 rupees, to other top artists who are charging 8,000 or more. By doing this, she's not just selling a class anymore, she's framing it as an absolute bargain that's almost too good to pass up. And then she just starts piling on the value. I mean, look at this. It's not just some quick tutorial, it's a 4 to 5 hour live session. You get the full product list, techniques for different seasons, a saved recording, and even a bonus on her YouTube and lighting secrets. The sheer amount of stuff you get makes the price feel tiny. And finally, she establishes authority. To shut down any last bit of doubt, she reveals that she has personally invested lakhs, we're talking tens of thousands of dollars, to learn from the best in the business. The message here is so clear. You're getting access to an education that cost her a fortune for just a tiny fraction of the price. So let's zoom out. What's the big takeaway here? Because her strategy isn't really just about makeup. It's a repeatable playbook that anyone trying to build a business online can use. Here it is, the 5-step playbook. First, embrace the controversy. Use that criticism as your hook. Second, use it to define your niche and make your unique style your brand. Third, build a funnel that turns that defense right into a sales pitch. Fourth, over-deliver on value so the offer is irresistible. And finally, create urgency to turn that interest into action. It's just a powerful and really effective cycle.
And all this really leaves us with one big question, doesn't it? After seeing how smoothly a piece of content can go from defending art to becoming a direct sales pitch, it kind of makes you wonder how much of the content that we watch every single day is doing the exact same thing, just maybe a little more subtly. It's definitely something to think about.